Hello children. Today we will learn about exponents and powers, the most applied form in mathematics. What is that? Consider a number, an expression of this type, 8 square. Okay, here in 8 square, here 2 we say exponent. 2 is called exponent. Then 8, what is 8? You know, in previous lesson that you have learned, 8 is base. Then what is power? The complete expression, we say what? Power. Okay, yes. Now let us try to define what is exponent. See here, what is exponent? The exponent corresponds to the number of times the base is used as a factor. What is that? Here, if we take 8 square, what is this here? This squared 2, we say exponent. Then what is the meaning of exponent? The exponent corresponds to the number of times the base. Which is the base, children? 8. Number of times the base is used as a factor. Therefore, here we write 8 2 times. That 2 times is denoted by this exponent 2. That whole expression we say what? Power. Hence, what is power? An expression that represents repeated multiplication. See here, repeated multiplication. 8 into 8 and written in power form as what? 8 square. So this whole expression we say what? Power. Hence be very clear. An expression that represents repeated multiplication of the same factor. Here consider the factor 8. How many times it has been repeated? 2 times. That we express as 8 square. Therefore this is called, that expression is power, and here that 2 we say exponent and 8 is the base. Then what is base? In exponentiation, means in this power form, in exponentiation the base is the number. So base is nothing but a number. Okay, b. In an expression of the form b power n, if any number is expressed as what? B power n, then this number denotes the base. This is exponent. Then the complete expression we say what? Power. Just you see once. What is power? An expression that represents repeated multiplication of the same factor. Say like that 8 into 8. If it is a cube, a into a into a, that a cube we say power. A, that a is base. A is repeated how many times? 3 times. That 3 we say exponent. The exponent corresponds to the number of times the base is used as a factor. Then what is base? If any number is expressed as b power n, then this number we say what? Base. Okay, children. Okay, children. Now based on those 3 definitions, now we shall have some rules, or even we could say them as laws of exponents. The first one is known as product of powers rule, or product of powers. Nothing but in general we say first law of exponents, like that also it can be. But that law or the rule says a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. What is a? We know base, m the exponent. When it is multiplied by another with the same base a and different power or exponent we say n, then it is the product is a power m plus n. Simple example. Okay, even this, for example, instead of that, it can be any number, a power m, a power n, a power p. If it is like that, even now we can add m plus n plus p, like that. Simple example, you know x into x. What children? X into x, we say x square. How comes that square is nothing but what is the power of, that is exponent of x? It is x power 1. Power, okay, it is expressed as what? X is raised, okay, to the power 1. Thus x, the exponents are 1 plus 1 are added, then we get x square. Okay, this is what we say product of power rule, that is x into x equal to x to the power 1 raised to the power, like that and all, it can be 1 plus 1 equal to what? X square. Next, quotient of powers rule. In case of this one, if it is of this fraction form, a power m, a power n, then we say a is raised to the power m minus n, when if m is greater than n. If m is lesser than n, this could be written as a is raised to the power n minus m. Okay. Then simple example we shall take 5 square or 5 cube divided by 5 square. Here 5 cube is greater than 5 square. When a power m is greater than a power n, then we write like this, m minus n. When m is greater than n, when m is greater than n, you write 3 minus 2 equal to 5 power 1, nothing but what? 5. If what? Denominator is greater, say for example, we shall take the same thing, 5 square divided by 5 cube equal to 5. This we write 1 5 power 3 minus 2 equal to 1 by 5, like that. Okay. Next, power of power rule. What is that? A is raised to m and the whole power n, we write this as what? A to the power m power n. A to the power m power n. A to the power m into n. Simple example, 2 cube whole square can be written as 3 into 2, 2 power 6. Next, power of a product rule. Power of what? A product rule. A into B whole power m equal to a power m into b power m. Okay. Power of product rule. Example, 2 into 3. See here, 2 different bases. If the powers are same, say 4, then we write 2 power 4, 3 power 4, or if it is 2 power 4, 3 power 4, then this can be written like this, 2 into 3 whole power 4 form. Then power of quotient rule, a by b whole power m, expressed as a power m, b power m. Example, say 2 by 3 whole power 4 can be written as 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4. Next, a power 0, that we say 0 power rule. Any base raised to the power 0 is 1. Okay, these are some conditions or rules, or even we say laws with respect to exponents. And one more, powers with negative exponent, children. If it is a to the power minus n, each time to the power, even we could say simply a power minus n can be written as 1 upon a power n. Simple example, 2 power minus 3 can be written as what? Can be expressed as 1 upon 2 cube. This, okay, that means whenever it is in the negative form, that can be converted into positive if it is written 1 upon, okay, in that form, children. Okay, children, now we shall take some problems based on the rules of exponents. The first one is this, evaluate Okay, here we shall take one by one. 3 raised to minus 2. Okay, 3 to the power minus 2. It is just like of the form a power minus n expressed as a power plus 1 by a power plus n. So therefore, this could be written as 1 by 3 square. Hence, 1 by 3 square. What is that? 3 is the base, this is exponent, and this whole power form 3 into 3 equal to what? 1 by 9. This is what we said the value of 3 power minus 2. Now consider the second one. Minus whole power minus 2. Okay. Now we know the law of exponents with respect to positive integers. Okay, children. Therefore, here exponent should be, if it is in positive square, then we say what? X into x, like the total x square. So therefore, here what should be done means just like this. First, we shall express this in positive power. How? 1 upon minus 4 power 2 equal to. Now therefore, this exponent indicates the base should be repeated 2 times. 1 upon minus of minus plus, 4 fours are 16. Next, all this just like based on this negative exponent of that form. 1 by 2 whole power minus 5. Okay, now first just you see a by b whole power m. We know the rule a power m, b power m. So therefore here first we shall write this as what? 1 power minus 5 divided by 2 power minus 5. Okay, next. If it is of this form, when this is sent to the denominator, it becomes 1 upon a power plus m. Now therefore, this 1 power minus 5 can be written as what? 1 by 1 power plus 5 into, then this 2 power minus 5, when this is sent to the denominator, this becomes 2 power plus 5. Hence, 2 power, 1 power 5 means what? 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, it makes no difference, the product is what? 1. 2 power 5, we know what? When it is of 2 power 5 is can be expanded as what? 2 into 2 into this exponent indicates that 2 is repeated 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, then 2. 4 fours are 16 into 2 32. Or 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 16, 32. Thus, the value of 1 upon 2 whole power minus 5 is equal to what? 32. Okay. Next, we shall take fourth one, 3 square. Next, just consider the fourth one, children. 3 square. Therefore, here the exponent indicates the base should be repeated twice. 3 threes are 9. Next, just you see here, it is of this form, children. A power m, a power n, a power m plus n means 1 plus 1, that is 3 square. When it is expanded, multiplied, we get the product. See the difference between negative exponent and positive exponent. 3 power minus 2 gives 1 upon 9. 3 power plus 2 gives what? 9. Next, minus 4 power 2. Therefore, minus 4 into minus 4. That is the meaning of this, we know. Hence, minus of minus gives plus, 4 4s are 16. Just compare with this minus 4 whole power minus 2 can be expressed in this form. Multiply, here we got 1 by 16, just here you see 16. Next, take the sixth one. 1 by 2 whole power 5. So it is of a by b whole power m, 1 power 5, 2 power 5. Since positive powers, then 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, it makes no difference. The product is 1 itself. By 2 power 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 1 by 32. So thus, by using the rules or the laws of exponents, we can evaluate some numbers having negative or positive exponents. Now sum number 2. Okay, so now consider the second one. Evaluate. Let us take in that sum number 1. 8 power minus 1 into 5 cube divided by 2 power minus 4. Okay, so now we are very clear. Whenever the exponents are negative, in the very first step, let us bring them into positive notation. Just you see now. Here I send this 2 power minus 4 to the denominator, therefore it becomes 2 power 4 into 5 cube. It is already in positive notation, positive exponent. Then 8 power minus 1, since it is negative, sent to the denominator, it becomes 8 power plus 1. That one no need to mention. Okay. Now therefore, this 2 power 4 can be written as what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 divided by, what is done? Just it is expanded. Okay, 2 power 4. The exponent 4 indicates 2 how many times. Therefore, 2 is repeated 4 times. 5 repeated 3 times. 8 can be written as what? Just let us try. 8, factorize this. 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 cube. Hence, 8 is 2 cube. That can be written 2 into 2 into 2. Now therefore, here, of course, we say here what, children? 2. Okay, just you see here. 2 power 1, 2 power 1. When we have here 2 by 2, usually what we used to do, just we get cancelled. How they get cancelled? Because here, when it is 2 by 2, we used to write 1 minus 1. That any base raised to the power 0 is nothing but what? 1. So this is how here they are applying. Okay, so thus here directly of course get cancelled means it is because of this condition, this rule only. So 2 power, when this plus 1 goes up, it becomes 1 minus 1, 2 power 0 1, 2 power 0 1, 2 power 0 1. Hence they get cancelled. Then 2 into 5 into 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 125, 250. Okay. In one way, this could be simplified like this. Okay, now just you see one more approach, the way of simplifying. Now this could be written as 2 power 4 into 5 cube. 8 can be written as what? 2 cube. Since it is exponential form, even okay, 8 can be expressed as what? 2 cube. Now just you see a power m, when m is greater, we used to write what? M minus n, 4 minus 3 into 5 cube. What is 2 power 4 minus 3? 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 power 1 is 2 into 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5 gives what? 250. Okay children, so like that also, just by using the expanded form or by using some other form, exponential form, that is what? A power m, that quotient rule. A power m by a power n can be written as what? A power m minus n. So these are different possibles. Sub number 2, 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 power minus 1 into 6 power minus 1. Okay, first we shall express all this in positive notation. This 5 power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 5, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 6. Since here it is product, write directly. Okay children, then now this is written as what? 1 by 5 2s are 10, 10 into 6, 60. So thus the value of the given exponential form is 1 upon 60. Yes children, plus assignment. Find the value of 2 power minus 3, 1 upon 3 power minus 2. That we have to get. Next, simplify. Minus 4 whole power 5 into minus 4 whole power 10. 2 power 5 divided by 2 power minus 6. Then sub number 3, 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 8 whole power 5 into 2 power minus 5. Okay children, we will continue next class. Thank you.